Now we don't come again with another story on top of the scam matter. So this story goes like this. It says, "Hi Josh, please leave my name anonymous." Omo, I'm going to see as they go. This is how my story goes. About 4 years ago, when I was so desperately looking for a husband to marry me, because I was under some kind of pressure from my family to get married. And trust me, at first I was rebellious and kept on telling my folks I don't need to get married because I had a child earlier. But somewhere along the line, I yielded to their pressure. So I discussed with a very close friend of mine, a guy I could trust. Though I told him about my current situation with my people, so he told me not to worry, that everything will be all right. He called me on this fateful day and told me that will I like to date a friend of his who was abroad, that the guy wants an indigenous girl to marry as soon as possible. So I agreed at the very thought of marrying somebody abroad. So that means I will be traveling soon. So I said yes to him. No more. This abroad, no be small. He shared the contact of this guy. We got talking. Conversations were smooth at the start. I was optimistic. I was optimistic about our future days. So days went by. Then, so days went by. Then one day, this lover of mine called me and told me he was having a family emergency at home. That he was trying to send money to his people. The Western Union money transfer wasn't going through. That I should kindly help him forward some money to his people. At first, I was skeptical. She put emoji about the request, but I said, for the benefit of the doubt, let me see send. The amount I'm not going to mention because it was a huge sum, though I don't want you to judge me. Sorry, auntie, I will not judge you. No matter what, you are not above mistake. Yeah? So after sending, I noticed that he wasn't available to talk to me, but I kept on trying. Husband man is still booty. My future husband cannot just slip from my grasp. That's what I thought, with laugh emoji. After a while, I saw that friend that introduced me to him. I told him what had transpired between the both of us, how he asked me to pay money. Then I was shocked by his reaction. He mentioned something that I discussed with his friend. That same way his friend responded, or more. No be wetin I dey think about now with this one. No go just go ahead. He did that, so I became suspicious. I told him I would like to use his phone to make a phone call. He gave me the phone and went into his room. Then I started prying into his WhatsApp messenger. I searched messages. I couldn't find any messages from me. Then I messaged that his friend's contact, only for me to receive the message on this my friend's phone. He had two WhatsApp on his phone, only for my number to appear as client. Omo, you be mugu. Sorry for laughing, but this guy don't job you, shall no wahala, mugu continue. I was so disappointed at this point. I confronted him and left his house. Till this day, I have not spoken to him. Until you need to block his number. That's the simple thing you need to do. Be wary of friends and be wary about who you tell your present predicament. So, make una dey careful. Now here I leave this one.